Hello everyone, this is just a quick video just to introduce you to First Page Ranker. I've been using it for the past 3 days and I've managed to get some videos to number 1, 2 and 3 of YouTube and Google. It's just a quick video. I'm not going to show you the full demo at the moment. I need to clear some stuff from there. But this is my review and the link is below. I just go through all the details, the pricing, the OTOs. And this is some proof. This is a video of a £200 product from Amazon. I made a quick 5-minute video and did the event, and it got straight to number 1 of Google just to add above me. This is another product of Amazon. It's a £400 product and it got to number 2 and 3 of Google because I uploaded it twice by mistake. It was only a 1-minute video. And this is the video in the Google video pack, and both of these channels are fairly new. One is brand new and the other one had one video on it from a few months ago. I've tried it with fresh channels, it works fine, and I've tried it with channels that have got videos on them and it also works pretty well. Got some tips for you on how to keep your channel safe so you don't want to get banned. So you can just read through that. Got the pricing here. Now right now they've got a £10 coupon, so if you click on the link you get £10 off, so it costs you $37. The front end product will do you well, I think, because even for myself I think the front end product was fine, but I actually went for the pro version. And there is a monthly fee. I don't think they mention on their site, which is a bit sneaky. I don't know why they don't do that. But there's a monthly fee and there's a one-time fee. So pro is if you have a lot of channels, you want to do a lot of uploading, you get a spinner, you get all sorts of other stuff. And the other OTOs, the rebrander I didn't need, the video SEO suite didn't need, and the reseller I didn't need. Normally I make my own videos. And if you buy it from my link, I've got a couple of bonuses for you. Just click on this button on any of the link and pick it up now, for the price goes even higher. Thanks for watching. Bye.